Good morning, Dave Snyder here again. It is the 22nd day of March 2014, and I just wanted to make another video to get the gold prospectors all riled up in Australia here. Another biggest secret in gold mining video here. Okay, so I just showed, you have to watch the last video I made to show how this aligns with the Wonder Map that shows this better over Australia than this picture. So reversed image of the Tycho crater on the moon, and yes, it's very large. And if you don't want to believe it, don't believe it. Okay, you don't have to believe it. I'm just trying to help you here. I know there's a lot of gold in Australia, big nuggets in the ground. I'm just saying, you might want to take a look at these areas. This is aligned pretty well with Australia. I think this crater right here would go more or less down here, maybe not. And from my experience, I've seen most of the gold areas, like in the United States where I look. The dark areas are the areas that from what I've, I could be wrong. It could be the other way around. It could be the bright areas that put the gold there or whatever. But the dark areas, I think I would check the dark areas first, because since there's very few, there's fewer of these little spots like this, and these areas, I would check those first probably, and then I would go for the brighter areas afterwards, maybe the bright areas around the outside of those areas maybe. But you can see like this curve where it comes to the point, that land feature is in Australia right here. You see it right here. It is absolutely there. See that? I can see it. And I shared this image on my Google Plus, so you can go there and get this image and overlay it with this Tycho right there by the Philippines. I lined it up to the weather, and you can see that there might be a couple things that might be off just a little bit, but with this Wonder Maps image that I brought up, if you watch the last video, if you pay attention, you can see this whole area right here in this picture. Look, I mean, you're going to have to kind of sit back and relax. Sit back from it. I noticed, because when I reviewed the last video, I sat back from my monitor quite a ways and just watched it real close, and you can see that. You'll see this. This is all there, all of it. You just got to pay close attention, and you'll see. You'll see it. See, this area right here was the one area that stood out right there. That little peak right there, see that little red spot. Okay, that's right there. That peak. So I would definitely check that area. I'm going to go there right now, as a matter of fact, and see if they found gold in that area. And like these spots here, where the dark spots are, I would check those first probably. But there you go. The biggest secret in Australian gold mining history. But they probably knew this, I'm sure. The Illuminati, they know about this. That's what they are illuminated to. They know about this. They know about it, and this is how they've gotten rich, because they know about this and nobody else does. It's the biggest secret in the world, pretty much, I think, on the planet. It's the biggest secret on the planet. You'll see this if you just pay attention. You will see it. You may think that's crazy what you're seeing now, but look closely. Just look real close. You'll see it. All right, have a great day.